Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. Dividend ETFs can be a good investment during times of uncertainty, as they provide a steady source of income regardless of market conditions. These types of stocks and ETFs typically pay out a higher percentage of their profits as dividends than other stocks, which means that they can make up for the capital losses, if there is any. Here are 5 dividend ETFs which are investment-worthy in 2024. Number 1. ProShares S&P Midcap 400 Dividend Aristocrats ETF, REGL, down 4% past week. The underlying S&P Midcap 400 Dividend Aristocrats Index targets companies that are currently members of the S&P Midcap 400 Index and have increased dividend payments each year for at least 15 years. The fund charges 40 BPS in fees. Number 2. ProShares Russell U.S. Dividend Growers ETF, TMDV, down 3.8% past week. The underlying Russell 3000 Dividend Elite Index targets companies that are currently members of the Russell 3000 Index, which represents approximately 98% of the investable U.S. equity market, have increased dividend payments each year for at least 35 years and meet certain liquidity requirements. The fund charges 35 BPS in fees and yields 2.49% annually. Number 3. Franklin U.S. Low Volatility High Dividend Index ETF, LVHD, down 3.4% past week. The underlying QS Low Volatility High Dividend Index provides stable income through investment in stocks of profitable U.S. companies with relatively high dividend yields, lower price and earnings volatility. The fund charges 27 BPS in fees and yields 4.2% annually. Number 4. Invesco High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers ETF, PEY, down 3.3% past week. The underlying NASDAQ U.S. Dividend Achievers 50 Index is comprised of 50 stocks selected principally on the basis of dividend yield and consistent growth in dividends. The fund charges 52 BPS in fees and yields 5.11% annually. Number 5. SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 High Dividend ETF, SPYD, down 3.1% past week. The underlying S&P 500 High Dividend Index is designed to measure the performance of the top 80 dividend-paying securities listed on the S&P 500 Index based on dividend yield. The fund charges 7 BPS in fees and yields 4.53% annually. So, when are you going to invest in this stock? Let us know in the comments.